Hello and welcome to another update video on gold. Yeah, yesterday I covered silver, not gold. Today it's time for gold again. And we can currently see another rally into a resistance area here on our short-term chart. The idea is still that potentially a B wave, a corrective rally, form the price top here, obviously, on the 15th of June. And we started that C wave to the downside, might take us to around about $3,100. It's not the cleanest because we don't really have a very clear downside impulse, but the communication was that this might be a wave 1, this might be a wave 2, and yep, we broke below the wave 1 low, so that indicates the third wave here could be unfolding, yeah, which then again should be a 5-wave move. So far that's all playing out. We then saw a dip in what could be wave 1 of 3 that was into the Tuesday low, where the price found a local low at around $3,307. And then from there, a micro 5-wave move up, which I've labeled wave A. I provided a B wave support area that was, I don't think in the last video, I think that happened yesterday, yeah, it did, and was communicated in our members area. So if you are member of our stocks membership, then you also get, or crypto even, then you get these gold and silver updates as a bonus. For example, we have a channel here where there are daily gold updates. So for example, a couple of updates yesterday there. The idea was here, we have a support area and we could get that C-wave rally to the upside, right? And yeah, I think price dipped into the middle of it and we've started that C-wave up. Obviously no crystal balls here, but the idea was that, hey, this was a 5-wave move out, right? And then the higher low in wave B kind of was the setup for a C-wave rally. And then, based on that information, the C-wave target points towards this zone, 3,368 to 3,395. And why is this an ideal target area? Because normally, a C wave would reach this 100% to 161.8 extension area. It's just a common target area, especially the 100% extension level, often called the 100% extension target. So we're nearly there. So far, no sign though that this wave 2, an internal wave 2, in wave 3 to the downside has formed the top. So I'm waiting to see if there is some kind of a reaction and the start of a third wave to the downside from there. And then there could be obviously a wave 4 and a wave 5 and so on. So yeah, at the moment I see it as a potential 1-2 setup to the downside, which is a good setup. Please note it's against the higher level trend because the overall trend is still up on this chart. The invalidation point, I mean, we have resistance, we have some levels to watch, but the invalidation point is actually the green line here at $3,411. That's the formal invalidation point for a 1-2 setup to the downside with this labeling. Already above the 78.6 retracement, so above 3,388, the downside pressure will ease, and it indicates that possibly the bulls are trying at least to take the lead, even if just temporarily. Yeah, that's the update on gold. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our stocks membership. You can find a link in the description. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.